Another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Aurinia Pharmaceuticals. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, they are really a fully integrated biopharmaceutical company, and they're really focused trying to develop these therapies to treat specific patient population. They have a already approved, FDA-approved first oral therapy for treatment with adult patients with active lupus nephritis, so type of kidney disease. And they're based in Victoria, British Columbia. They also have a commercial hub in the U.S. in Rockville, Maryland. So I'm excited to tell you a little bit about them. They have their CEO, Peter Greenleaf, MBA, President, Director, and CEO. He's been there for a couple of years. Before that, if you're not familiar with him, he was CEO of Sun Campo Pharmaceuticals, SCMP, which is traded on the NASDAQ. He helped develop, commercialize a bunch of medications and unmet needs. In 2018, company was sold to a UK pharmaceutical giant, Mallinckrodt. So a couple of the other things in their pipeline that got me excited about this company is they have an AUR200, a recombinant Fc protein targeting BAFF and ARPRIL. So basically, it's trying to block the B cell activation factor. That's what that BAFF stands for. It's a proliferation-induced ligand known as APRL, and that kind of pro B cell survival and differentiation, and shown to, really show a prominent role in different nephrology conditions as well as autoimmune conditions. Now, these are preclinical developments. Hopefully, they'll submit a INDA to the FDA in early 2023, maybe in the middle of 2023. AUR300 is actually M2 macrophage modulation, which is supposed to be binding to CD206, and it's a peptide therapeutic that modulates macrophages, which is a type of white blood cell. So that's pretty exciting, and basically can reduce the M2 dysregulation and hopefully reduce inflammatory cytokines, and potentially could hopefully help out with diseases that have fibrotic diseases, autoimmune diseases, and as well the AUR300 hopefully they'll be submitting for a new drug application sometime in initial drug application in 2023. So let's look at the pipeline here. The lupus nephritis, they have this approved. That's the voclosporin, first FDA-approved oral therapy for treatment with adult patients with active lupus nephritis. And here's the AUR200, AUR300 macrophages, and hopefully they do look into different formulations for the voclosporin. So that could be exciting. There'll be a lot of stuff they'll be reporting on in the coming 2023. So let's look at the stock price. Stock symbols, AUPH, Aurinia Pharmaceuticals. At the time of the video, it's trading at $4.53. I do think this type of environment is a little difficult for these type of companies. High risk, high reward, but there's still a lot of opportunity here. I'm going to continue to monitor this company. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. Helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.